Have you ever heard of service learning or community service? How about electronic or e-service learning or hybrid service learning? Hybrid service learning hold the potential to transform both service learning and online learning by freeing service learning from geographical constraints and by equipping online learning with a tool to promote engagement. Thus, e-service learning is not a mere pedagogical curiosity, rather it is a key to the future of service learning. E-service learning occurs when the instructional component, the service component, or both are conducted online. According to Wagner et al. 2012, there are 4 types of e-service learning, which start with traditional service learning, hybrid service learning type 1, hybrid service learning type 2, hybrid service learning type 3, and extreme e-service learning. Hybrid service learning type 1 is where the instruction occurs online and the service occurs on-site. Meanwhile, for hybrid service learning type 2, the instruction occurs on-site and the service happens online. For hybrid e-service learning type 3, instruction and or service partially on-site and partially online. And last but not least, extreme e-service learning, instruction and service happen 100% online. According to Bennett and Green, they suggest that service learning and online instruction can have a symbiotic educational relationship because an online course allows many individuals who could not otherwise come to the class to engage in service learning. Besides that, from previous research found that success in online courses demands students to be engaged in order to capitalize upon their learning opportunity and to solidify student learning of concepts. In other words, students cannot simply log in to an online service learning course and read, or log in and listen to audio file. The instructor must utilize course management and technology features effectively to actively engage students in the learning process and to engage students with others in the course. Conrad and Donaldson observed that key elements of engaged learning in an online course include students establishing their own learning goal, students teaming with others, and students exploring resources. With this in mind, we need to know how to design and develop learning activity effectively and can promote student engagement towards their learning. Based on the phases of service learning, we design and develop an online platform called ESL ComNet, which refers to Type 3 Hybrid e-service learning for undergraduate students that take core curriculum course in our university for ICT course about basic computer network. The learning activity in this ESL ComNet were designed with elements that help to promote student engagement towards their learning activity. To look at the effect of this ESL ComNet integration, we investigate how students engage with their learning by observing how students use the ESL ComNet for their learning purpose. We also analyze student perception regarding their engagement with learning experience throughout the course, especially after using ESL ComNet. Overall, this hybrid service learning through ESL ComNet helps students to engage better with their learning, especially when there is no physical interaction in our current COVID-19 pandemic situation. ESL ComNet also helps students to monitor their progress during the course, tracking changes in performance across time, with hybrid service learning resulting in more engagement. Instructors can use ESL ComNet to provide feedback on their performance with positive point system. We also gather feedback on how students perceive use of ESL ComNet for their learning, so we can improve on how to utilize it effectively for future courses. From the feedback, it seems like the students enjoy using ESL ComNet because they can easily express their feeling. It is user-friendly, easy to access, and interactive. We identify 5 levels of engagement among students in this project based on student learning activity, which are through engagement, strategic compliance, ritual engagement, retreatism engagement, and rebellion engagement. From the finding, we found out that 75% of the students are in true engagement category, 20% in strategic compliance, and only 5% in ritual engagement. This shows that students engage well in their learning with hybrid service learning design. Hybrid service learning through ESL CommNet intended to foster student engagement which at the same time able to support their mastery of skill as well as develop their knowledge. To investigate the impact of our innovation, we conduct observation of learning activity from students through ESL CommNet towards their engagement based on the We also gather perception from students to understand how they feel and respond towards the implementation of hybrid service learning. We found out that majority of the students are really engaged actively in ESL Apart from that, we also found out that ESL CommNet help to promote student-generated skill and performance through the learning activity that were provided in ESL CommNet based on each phases of service learning. This project contribute to the community by publishing a module entitled Basic of Computer Networking and Cabling Installation and managed to receive ISBN from Perpustakaan Negara Malaysia. Apart from that, this project also able to produce our very own video tutorials about network cabling to help the community to learn and copyright on the design of hybrid service learning through ESL CommNet. Throughout this project, we managed to publish few papers in Scopus Index Journal, RSI Journal, and IEE Proceeding. We also managed to secure one copyright awarded with grant and few collaboration with industry and community. We also managed to be a finalist in prestigious awards such as ACRI and won a lot of gold medal in prestigious e-learning award. We also managed to publish few modules and have ISBN from Perpustakaan Negara Malaysia. Throughout this project, we have collaborated with 2 secondary school students in Johor Bahru, which are from SMK Mutiara Rini and SMK Seta, and another 2 primary school from Sekolah Kebangsaan Taman Mutiara Rini and Sekolah Kebangsaan Pengkalan Rinting. There were 40 students that joined us in this project. We received a lot of positive feedback from them at the end of our collaboration. A special thanks to Institute for Life Ready Graduate, UTM ILIC, and Faculty of Social Science and Humanity for supporting our project.